Ever wondered what causes cancer and how we can prevent it? Cancer. The word alone can send a chill down your spine. It's a complex group of diseases with an intricate web of causes, not a single entity with one specific origin. The factors leading to cancer are multifactorial, meaning they are influenced by a mix of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle elements. Firstly, let's talk about genetics. Our genes are like the blueprints of our bodies, and sometimes these blueprints can contain errors. These errors, or mutations, can be inherited from our parents or acquired throughout our lifetime. Some of these mutations can increase our risk of developing cancer. For instance, certain inherited mutations in the BRCA genes can heighten the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Then, there's the environment around us. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, our surroundings can expose us to substances known as carcinogens, which have the potential to cause cancer. For example, tobacco smoke and asbestos are well-known carcinogens. Our environment also exposes us to radiation, like X-rays or UV radiation from the sun, which can damage our DNA and lead to cancer. Our lifestyle choices also play a significant role. Smoking, a poor diet, and physical inactivity can all contribute to an increased risk of cancer. Certain infectious agents, like the human papillomavirus, HPV, and hepatitis B and C, are also linked to specific types of cancer. Hormones, too, can influence cancer risk. Long-term use of hormone replacement therapy, particularly certain combinations, is associated with an increased risk of some cancers. Additionally, factors like a weakened immune system, age, and gender can influence our risk of developing cancer. So, how can we prevent cancer? Well, while we can't change our genes or completely control our environment, we can make healthier lifestyle choices. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, avoiding tobacco, and protecting ourselves from the sun can all help reduce our risk. Indeed, cancer is a multifaceted beast, with its roots in our genes, our environment, and our lifestyle choices. Understanding these factors is a crucial step towards prevention, and ultimately, a healthier future. Scene script. Let's delve into the causes and risk factors associated with cancer. First off, genetic factors play a crucial role. Some people inherit genetic mutations from their parents that increase their risk of certain cancers. For example, the BRCA genes are well-known culprits in breast and ovarian cancers. There are also somatic mutations, which aren't inherited but rather acquired during a person's lifetime. And these can also lead to cancer. Secondly, environmental factors can't be ignored. Exposure to carcinogens, substances known to cause cancer such as tobacco smoke, asbestos, and certain chemicals, is a significant risk. Radiation, both ionizing radiation like X-rays and UV radiation from the sun, also falls into this category. Thirdly, let's look at lifestyle and behavioral factors. Tobacco use, particularly smoking, is a major cause of lung and many other types of cancer. Diet also plays a role. Diets high in processed foods and low in fruits and vegetables have been linked to cancer. Additionally, a lack of regular physical activity is associated with an increased risk of certain cancers. Infectious agents, such as certain viruses and bacteria, are another cause. Infections with human papillomavirus, or HPV, and hepatitis B and C, for instance, can increase cancer risk. Infections with the bacterium Helicobacter pylori are linked to stomach cancer. Hormones, too, can impact cancer risk. Long-term use of hormone replacement therapy, particularly estrogen-progestin combinations, is associated with an increased risk of certain cancers. The immune system plays a role as well. Those with weakened immune systems, such as organ transplant recipients, may face a higher risk of developing cancer. Lastly, age and gender are risk factors. The risk of cancer generally increases with age, and some cancers are more common in one gender than the other. For example, breast cancer is more common in women, while prostate cancer is more common in men. As you can see, cancer doesn't have a single cause. It's a complex interplay of many factors. Now that we've explored the causes, let's discuss how we can prevent cancer. One of the most effective ways to prevent cancer is through lifestyle modifications. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while limiting processed foods, is a great start. Regular exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but it also reduces the risk of various types of cancer. If you're a smoker, quitting is the best thing you can do for your health, as tobacco use is a major cause of many cancers. Sun protection is another crucial prevention strategy. Using sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, and avoiding excessive sun exposure can significantly reduce the risk of skin cancer, one of the most common types of cancer worldwide. Vaccination is a powerful tool in cancer prevention. Vaccines against human papillomavirus and hepatitis B can prevent cancers associated with these viruses. Regular screening is another essential strategy. Early detection of cancers like breast and colon cancer through screening such as mammograms and colonoscopies can catch the disease in its early, more treatable stages. Limiting alcohol consumption is also advised. If alcohol is consumed, it should be done in moderation, as excessive drinking is linked with several types of cancer. For those working in environments with exposure to carcinogens, following safety guidelines and wearing protective equipment is a must to reduce risk. Lastly, if you have a strong family history of certain types of cancer, genetic counseling could be beneficial. Sometimes, inherited genetic mutations can significantly increase cancer risk, and knowing your status can help you take preventive steps. While we can't control all cancer risk factors, we certainly have power over many. Small changes can make a big difference. Cancer may seem like a daunting foe, but knowledge is power. We've learned today that the causes of cancer are multifaceted, ranging from our genes to our lifestyle choices. But equally important, we've also discovered that there are tangible steps we can take to reduce our cancer risk. This includes, but is not limited to, maintaining a healthy diet, staying active, avoiding tobacco and excessive sun exposure, and getting vaccinated against certain viruses. And let's not forget the significance of regular checkups. Early detection through screenings like mammograms and colonoscopies can be a game changer, turning a potentially fatal disease into a manageable condition. So let's take charge of our health, because every step towards a healthier lifestyle is a step away from cancer. If you found this video informative, do subscribe and like this video for more health-related content. Together, we can conquer cancer one step at a time.